So I love having super dark floors, but I hate how much they can be scratched and dings. I don't know if we can see some. Probably see some scratch and dings because these are just soft and show everything. And when I put my office chair, I am moving, not a ton, but a good amount. So I want something to protect it. So I got this office floor mat. This was gifted to me from the brand, but it's always out with my opinion. So what I love about it too, it matches my floor. There's a bunch of different colors. It matches, but it is a little different. So it adds like a nice like look to the room. And it really kind of gives you the beautiful, but also too, my chair really glides on it beautifully. And so this is probably the perfect size. My desk is, I believe, 61 inches and it's an L-shaped, but this really is the perfect size for like a chair rug. What I love too, it's really like, you won't trip over it because it does have the tapered edges. And this is really small and compact, like thin wise, but perfect to protect the floors because, listen, we already got scratches. We don't want more. So if you're looking for a floor rug, this is definitely one I recommend.